Alright, so, I don't know if you can see this, but in this video, we're going to be building the alphabet train Melissa and Doug set. So, we're going to see, it's 28 pieces, we're going to see how fast we can do this. Ready, go! Okay, I got B and C over here, real fast.
W-Y over here.
Those are some good letters.
Yeah, for sure. I got the
I got
front.
I. You have the front?
Yeah,
Cool.
front.
There's B and C.
A.
Z, good, that's the end.
Oh, I found A.
A. Well, I found D and E right here.
D, E.
Oh.
Yes. Wait.
Okay,
F,
so we have all the way
F,
to
and
E
G.
so far. F.
F, F, F.
Here's
Here's
F. F and G. Okay.
F, G,
H.
Where's
You
H?
gave it to me earlier, right?
Oh,
Oh, here it is.
H.
Horse.
Yes.
H.
Yes. I.
Iguana right here.
J.
J. J. Jaguar right here. Okay.
K. I have K.
K.
And L.
L. M. Have it right here.
O. P.
M.
Oh, N.
N.
O. P. Q.
QR.
S.
Oh, it's hard to put them on while holding the camera.
S.
T. Tiger. Great. T.
U.
U.
V.
V. No, don't break it! No, you're breaking it! This fella's breaking it. Everyone leave a comment saying that he's a meanie poo.
Q. Okay, move it.
He's stealing Z now.
Stop. You can't
Stop
have
stealing Z. This is a good video without you ruining it. X, Y, Z. I have it finished over here if he didn't take anything. He took E.
No.
He's over here now. No. He took, I don't know which letter.
Which one? A, B, C. Q, R, S, T, U.
He told U and V. It stopped filming, but now we have it all. Sorry, guys. We finished all 28 train cars and 26 letters. He's taking them again. Okay, that actually hit me in the hand.
Ow.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.